What is up, guys? We are back again with another video, and in today's video I'm showing you guys the new track. You can see those first two laps that I made, and I'm just gonna probably talk while I go. I'm gonna take a slow lap around, tell you guys about the track and stuff. Yeah, let's go. So it's gonna be the starting area right here, pretty much. That's where I'm gonna be starting. Now let's speed up here. This is another corner. This is going to be one of the corners that we go on right here. Then we come down here. We got a nice jump. And we come down here. Speed up a little bit more. And then here comes the next corner. Got it. Packed it down as much as I could so far. And this is another corner right here. I need some dirt so I can make some better jumps and stuff. So then we're gonna come this way. I'm gonna take another sharp right because we don't want to hit that fire hydrant or something to go wrong, and then I'm gonna hit that one. Then we're gonna go this way. And this is gonna be a quarter. I shift down this about second gear here. Turn around the corner. And then wide open pretty much. Go pretty fast. Slow down here. I'd probably need to put a berm in that other corner to make it easier to turn faster. I'm still getting the hang of it. It's just a starting track. I know I haven't made a video in about 2 months, but here's one for you. Slow down, take the corner. And then go again. I need a better jump there, better landing and stuff. I really don't give that much air. And I need berms on all these corners. It's a little cold out right now, but we're making her do. Been practicing the wheelies a lot more, trying some new tricks. Haven't been able to do wheelies on the dirt bike yet, but we're still working on that. Taking it a little slower right now. The bottom of that jump right there was all muddy, and so when I went on it once, it made one big trench. So when I go on it, I almost wreck out, pretty much. And this one, it gets close to the road, and we crisscross right here. Then I got another fun thing I want to show you guys. Okay, let's see. Hands are freezing. Be in second gear for this. I messed it up. I hit the edge of the rock. There's supposed to be a rock there that I jump. Let's try this again. There we go. And then I have another trail that's down here. This is a trail that I go on pretty much. It's a little overgrown, needs to be cut down. Definitely. Oh God. Careful, it gets a little muddy down this way. Go over some rocks. There's some more mud. Watch a big bump right there. Then you gotta be careful of these cattails. Oh God. These things almost make you spin out. This is to test the balance of what I got, because these are all ruts right here. You can see I'm bouncing all around. This is to test my balance. Been working on that too. Balance is gonna help with the wheelies. Oh, gotta watch out for that. And I've also been working on the treehouse down here. So you can see I put a window up there. That's probably gonna be in the next video, so I don't want to show you guys too much, but just gonna show you around. I haven't seen you guys in a while. Oh yeah. Slow down here. You got a thing that goes down to back where we were. And then we're gonna go back this way. And as soon as we get past this little bit, oh God, oh God. I made a part where we can go up the hill right here. It's a little steep, but she'll make do. And then there's that. And we can hit the rock again. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Oh God, I almost stalled it. Then too high of a gear. I'll go back down this way to the jump. Show you guys the area where it got wet. There's just a big trench there. And hopefully it gets fixed soon. If it get a lot of rain. So that's going to be the end of the video, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe like always. New videos coming soon. And they're watching me over there. Hi, Toby! I gotta fix the battery on this too. Well, that's going to be the end of the video, guys. Make sure to turn on post notifications so that you never miss a new video. And I'm going to give a shout out to Matthew and Laura for giving me suggestions on the video in art class. You know who you are. Well, guys, I'll see you next time. Peace.